The 5G solar security camera stands out with its solar power capability, featuring a 4.2-watt solar panel that ensures continuous charging for the built-in 8,000 mAh battery, allowing for seamless operation without the need for wiring. With its 2,000-pixel high-definition clarity, this camera delivers superior image quality during both day and night, and it offers a wide viewing range with its 270-degree pan and 90-degree tilt. The camera's advanced PIR AI human detection technology not only detects motion but also differentiates humans from other objects, triggering an audible siren and spotlight to deter intruders while sending real-time alerts to your phone. Offering flexible storage options, the camera supports up to 128 GB TF cards and optional cloud storage, providing users the ability to remotely control and monitor via the Eseecloud app, with compatibility for Alexa. Installation is straightforward and quick, with the camera's IP65 weatherproof design ensuring reliable performance in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The product is supported by a responsive customer service team, available 24/7, which adds to its appeal as a reliable and user-friendly security solution.